This is Kevin, and this is Mopnado, the world's fastest, most convenient, and hygienic mop system. Using its patented spin drive, Mopnado can handle accidents of any size by literally washing and drying your mop head during use. So, if someone decides to open 3 cans of perfectly good soda and spill them on the floor after squirting some ketchup and mustard for good measure, you'll have no trouble cleaning up afterwards. With its super absorbent microfiber mop head, soaking up large amounts of liquids is a breeze. Just look at how easily 1 full liter of conveniently poured soda gets absorbed. Shocking, isn't it? The secret behind its success is the handle-driven spin function that allows the mop to be washed and dried in its own bucket. Mopnado also features a unique twist lock, allowing you to extend the handle to clean hard-to-reach places. Use it wet or dry, and finally take care of those areas no one will be able to see. The mop head design lets you quickly switch mop heads, and the microfiber is soft enough to clean almost any surface. So switch from tile to hardwood floors in a heartbeat. Just don't try to mop your carpet. Old clunky mop systems are heavy and won't get dry enough to use on delicate surfaces. With the stainless steel spin basket, Mopnado can get as dry or as wet as you need, so you never have to worry about damaging your floors ever again. Just spin faster for a dry mop head and spin slower for a wet mop head. It's that simple. And once you're ready to rinse out your mop head, get a clean, thorough wash with the built-in agitator, unlike older mops that just slosh your mop head around. Then spin to your desired wetness level, and you're all set. Disposable sweepers are light and easy to maneuver, but mostly just push dirt around. Plus, the cost of replacements can add up real quick after just 1 session of cleaning. Wet refills can cost up to 38 cents per sheet. And they can't really be washed or reused either. So, the next time you're getting ready to tidy up around the house, and you want a fast, convenient, and even fun cleaning experience, choose the one and only Mopnado. Give it a spin today.
Microfiber Wholesale's professional microfiber mop will make the dreaded chore of cleaning your floors quick and easy. Designed by cleaning professionals, it efficiently leaves floors sparkling without a mop bucket or harsh chemicals. Now it's available to you so you can quickly clean your hardwood, laminate, tile, and stone flooring like a pro. Microfiber Wholesale's mop will truly make your life easier. Microfiber cleans more effectively than old, outdated cleaning methods, and our microfiber cleans better than other brands. In just a few minutes, you can clean your floors and move on to the more important things in your life. Each mop includes one of our Mojave microfiber dust mops. Quickly gather up all of the dust and dirt that collects on your floors with ease. When you need a deeper clean, use our premium Microfiber Wet Mop Pads. 2 are included. All you need is water. Mops pads are machine washable and will last hundreds of washings, so you can eliminate the need for costly disposable cleaners like Swiffer. Now you can clean any hard flooring surface deeper, more quickly, and with no hassle whatsoever. Join the tens of thousands of satisfied Amazon customers who are cleaning like pros. Order yours today.
Life gets messy. Let the O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System help you get a deep clean easier than ever before. Its innovative hands-free wringing system lets you wring your mop with only the push of a pedal. The 100% microfiber mop head gets rid of all that dirt and grime. Whether you're short or tall, the handle adjusts from 33 to 51 inches. Great for all hard floor surfaces. To keep neat and tidy, the splash guard keeps potential splash and spray inside the bucket when wringing. The pivoting head allows you to get around and under furniture. Clean the hard-to-reach corners with ease with the unique triangular-shaped head. The EasyWring Spin Mop from O-Cedar. Give it a whirl. O-Cedar makes your life easier.
This is the Tsmine Spin Mop and Bucket System. With its patented spin drive, it can handle any type of spill on hard surfaces. These microfiber mop heads are durable and machine washable, providing long-lasting use over traditional mops. The 180-degree swiveling mop head makes it easy to reach under furniture, while the extendable long handle allows you to clean windows and ceiling fans. Setting up is easy. First, attach the mop handle by screwing it together and locking it into place. Next, align the mop head with the plate and step gently until you hear a click. Fill your bucket with water and add your cleaner. Next, dip the mop into the water and spin to soak it. To dry, bring the mop head into the metal basket. Push down on the handle to activate the spin dry system. When finished cleaning, step on the strands of the mop head and push the handle away from you, causing it to detach. Then just throw your mop head in the machine or hand wash with warm water and lay flat to dry. No need to use bleach or fabric softeners. Choose between two different colors. The Tsmine Spin Mop and Bucket System doesn't just make cleaning easy, convenient, and effective, but it makes cleaning even the toughest messes fun.
If you are experiencing little or no steam, here are some tips. Your water tank may be empty. Refill your water tank before plugging in. Next, check to see if your foot is securely in place. Press the colored foot pedal on the back and lift the body off. Then reattach until it clicks into place. Make sure you are using a working outlet. You will know if the ready light begins to blink when plugged in. Wait for the blinking light to go solid. Then you will press the Steam On/Off button and select a steam level. An important thing to remember is that you will not see an abundance of steam coming from your PowerFresh Deluxe, as the steam is directed toward the floor to deliver the best cleaning results. Next, check your scented disc tray. Push it all the way in until it's flush. We hope these quick tips get steam back with your PowerFresh Deluxe.